view from one of the footbridges. So this is southeastern Bangkok. On a map anyway. See the temple over there? Temple complex. Start the ride back. Asking him if there's any fish, if he's caught any fish. Unfortunately, down this part of the river, they've put some stairs in. Used to be ramps, and down the other end of the river there's still all ramps. I'm guessing this is to stop the motorcycles using it as a road. Bit of a shame for the push bike. Alright, I think from memory this temple might be called Wat Pak Bo. She must live close by or down that little entrance, because she's not getting over those stairs on that bike. Bit of traffic ahead. Phattanakhan. Yep. No worries. Okay, so we can see being built, there's extensions for the SkyTrain. We'll be alright going the wrong way for a minute. Yeah, lovely. Yeah. Could use the gear down there. Ah, speaking of the ramps, used to be all pretty much like this. Yee-hoo. Ride through a few houses. This one looks a bit tighter. So I guess that's probably extending your house as far as you can. That's had a few beers there, looks like. Alright. Ride down these, but riding up them's a bit harder. Back to more stairs. Whee. Well, I think I might take a video down the other end of this Klong at one stage. As I said, it's all ramps down there, so there's no on and off the bike. Scenery is a bit better as well. Well, Klong ride done. High rises, the edge of the real Bangkok in the distance. Edge of the cement jungle. Righto. That's me done. Finished the ride along the Klong, and it's back on the roads home.